First, let's establish something. You do not want to buy a used car that was in a flood like Hurricane Ian.
They are literally rotting from the inside out.
That's Emily Voss from Carfax. We talked about Hurricane Ian's aftermath, and we saw destruction.
Con men see opportunity and dollar signs.
A swamped car's engine might start fine today, but down the road, it's likely to have problems like corrosion, rust, mold, or all of the above. Emily recommends used car buyers take 3 steps. Take a test drive, get a history report, and an in-person inspection.
A lot of people do 1 or 2 of those things, but you need to take the time to do all 3.
Let's focus on the history and the inspection. First, spend $10 to $40. Get the vehicle's complete history. Look for the words flood, salvage, or rebuilt. Those terms indicate a car should have been junked, not resold. Here's the thing. Some sleazy car dealers can wash a car's title clean of those flood or salvage stamps. So an in-person inspection is essential. The car will tell its secrets. First, sniff the interior. A foul or musty odor is a red flag. So is an overly rosy smell.
Sometimes they put in like a very strong air freshener to cover the musty smell.
Next, peel back the floor mats and carpet. Look for moisture, mold, and mildew. When you pop the hood, check out all the exposed metal. Look for signs rust is forming. Then if you're comfortable, take apart the electrical connectors. Look inside. See if there's any corrosion from salt water. Better yet, hire a mechanic to inspect the car for you. Emily says $100 is the going rate for a pro.
I think it's never been more important to do your homework when buying a used car.
P.S. If a car dealer won't let you bring your own mechanic to inspect a vehicle, stop. That is a sign you should be shopping elsewhere.